God damn. Pills, deals, and wheels, we did it again. Oh, Harley Quinn over here, me, myself, Joel. We hit another lick, y'all, on a mobile home at the same park we're working in for, guessed it, not $40,000, not $30,000, but $20,000, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Hey, that's why you need to go get this course. Hey, we're gonna have that video for you in about a couple days, too.
Okay guys, here we are at another potential property that we are looking into buying. However, if we do not buy it, then I'm going to see if one of my students want to purchase it. I'm going to wholesale it to one of you guys if you guys are interested in purchasing this mobile home. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It was just presented to us by the park manager. That's what I'm saying, guys. Building relationships with the park manager is very, very key. Very key. It looks like the AC looks like that's in working condition. We just waiting for the park manager to give us a price, and then we'll go from there. So I'm just gonna take a quick video for you guys. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, Section 8 out here. We'll go from here. That was my brother going on the inside. So, very nice mobile home. Only thing is we would have to definitely, or whoever buys this home definitely has to get a refrigerator. We got the stove here. Let's see. A slight hint of dog urine. Got the washer and dryer hook up here. I'm guessing this might be the master bedroom. Yeah, because the bathroom is on the inside. Can't flush any commodes or run any water because the water is off, and so is the AC. I think the water is off. Let's see. No, the water is on. See. I don't see any leaking. Let's see here. Shit, Joe, I can't get the water to stop. Oh, I was just seeing if it was working. Okay. Oh, very nice. Nice little accent wall. The lighting, tray ceiling fan. Very nice. Very nice. This is the 2nd bedroom. Very nice. I don't see nothing going on with the ceiling. No roaches or anything. Okay. Everything looking like it's working pretty good. Sorry, it's too dark in here, but this bathroom looks good as well. All right. As if we don't buy this mobile home, I will present it to one of my students. If y'all interested, let me know. We'll talk about the price. I will wholesale this mobile home to you. All right. I'll make sure you get a good deal.